Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for January 19th to February 2nd. For January 19th to the 23rd, we have a trough that is forecast near the Aleutians here. You can see it. You can see it right here. And we have a ridge that builds towards Alaska, and above normal heights remain across the Arctic and Greenland. And we have our upper low in the southwest. We'll show you that as we go right here. And we have a trough in the east. Now, this upper low is forecast to remain near California. And let me see if I can go to the surface maps. We have this upper low right here, remains near California, and then it will track eastward starting on Thursday. Now the low moves here, and this will bring precipitation to the southwest, and you can see it right here. Here's our upper low, and here's the moisture. And Gulf moisture overrun a frontal boundary that will cause rain across the southeast. You can see it here. There'll be a frontal boundary across this area here, and you can see it'll cause rain, and then move east. And the models are good agreement on that. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for January 24th to 28th. And we have a ridge that builds across Alaska. This trough lifts out, moves more to the west. And we have a trough that over the Atlantic in the northeast. And heights remain above normal across the North Atlantic and Greenland, the Arctic region. But if you take a look at the, let me see, the GFS and the European ensembles have a ridge over the Caribbean with above normal heights across this region here. So we have to see how that comes out. But also during this period, we're going to be watching a system right here, part of that upper low, be moving eastward and could impact the region along the Mid-Atlantic coast. So we go to the 25th. Here it is. Then it really develops a secondary low here along the Mid-Atlantic coast. And notice where the 540 line is, way down here across the south. This could bring heavy precipitation along the across the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast, and also portions of the I-95 corridor. Now, this is Tuesday, the 26th. And we look at the other models at the same time. They're a little slower with the low. The GFS seems to be more aggressive, taking the system more to out to sea faster. And you look at the other models, they differ in the low. And here's the European ensembles way down here to the south, and it brings it out to sea. So it's still way days out in the way the trend has been going. It could very well go out to sea. But if this trend works out with the GFS, then we might be a little trouble here across the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. So, okay, for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here. I think this might come a little bit further south, cut out some of this warmer air. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal across this area here. Above normal temperatures are forecast for this region with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%, and above normal precipitation forecast for this region here, probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Now looking ahead for the period for January 29th to February 2nd. Heights remain weaken across. Some of the models have weakening heights across this region and over Alaska, as you can see by the GEFS, but the other models still keep the heights fairly strong here. But this trough, as we look at the European, we have a trough now across this region where we had above normal heights. As this above normal height region moves to the west, this could bring some warming across the nation. You can see on this map. But the GEFS, the samples is the only model showing this compared to the other models, but they do weaken the height anomalies. The strong area above normal heights. So I'm forecasting for this region above normal temperatures for this region with the anomalies near 6 degrees above normal, could be a little higher. And then we have below normal temperatures forecast for the remainder of the nation with the anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees below normal. Some areas a little higher as far as 18. But for now I'm saying 6 to 12 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for this region. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And then we have below normal precipitation here. And the probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for January 19th to February 2nd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.